Hello everyone. Right, are you ready to do some maths using your shoes? I've got my special t-shirt on today, which I wear when I go walking. And it says that I don't want a glass slipper, I want hiking boots. So I thought I'd show you my shoes that I wear. So when I get up of a morning, I go for a long walk. I haven't been for one today. Today I've done 10 steps so far. I've been a bit lazy, and it's okay to be lazy occasionally, but if you're being lazy every day, that's not good, because you need to keep your heart and your lungs, which are the big balloons inside your chest that help you breathe, you need to keep them working every day. So yesterday I did 8,000 steps. So yesterday I was good. Today I'm not quite so good. But so let's keep walking. But when you walk, you need to have the right shoes. So when I walk every day at the moment, these are my walking shoes. Yeah? And they've got laces, and they're quite strong and waterproof, and underneath they've got a pattern. Yeah? So they're my everyday walking boots. When I can go back down to Cornwall and Devon and go for my really long walks, I walk for miles and miles and miles. I have special hiking boots, and these are my hiking boots, and they're much higher than my normal walking boots. They come up much higher. They've got really big laces that come all the way up the top. Yeah, they're really strong for when I'm walking over rocks, and they've got a pattern on the bottom too. And the pattern's different. It's not the same. They've got different patterns. And when I'm at home pottering in my garden, I wear my Wellingtons. These are my Wellingtons. There we are. And they're made of rubber, and they keep your feet dry and clean. Doesn't matter how muddy the garden is. And they've got patterns on the bottom too. And they're very tall. They're much taller than my hiking boots. These come up to my knees. So they're my everyday shoes. Now, I have another pair of shoes that I wear in the garden, and they are falling to bits. Look, falling to bits. But they're very easy to slip on when I go out in the garden. But I do think that when we go back to preschool, I might buy myself a new pair of shoes for the garden. Yeah, because the water, the bugs, the dirt all get in through this hole. It's not good, is it? But they've got a pattern on the bottom as well. And this got me to thinking. Firstly, my shoes are all size 8. This is 8. 8. Looks like a snowman. 8. And everybody's shoes, everybody's feet are different sizes. And mine are 8. So, do you know what size yours are? Have a look. Have a look at your shoes and see what number they are. And then maybe you could do a little chart of all the people who live in your house. See who's got the biggest feet. See who's got the tiniest feet. Because later on we're going to do the story of the 3 bears. And there's big bears and middle-sized bears and little bears. So that will tie in quite nicely with that. And you could do either a graph or a tally for that. And then the other thing that you can do when you go out for your walks is, if you look on the floor, you might see the prints that people's shoes or their dogs make on the ground. And likewise, what you can do is, if it's a warm day, you can put your shoes into a little bit of water and tread on the ground and see what pattern your shoes make on the floor, and then take your shoes off and use your feet and see what pattern your feet make. Are they the same? Are they the same shape? I don't think so. I think you'll find that your feet are a slightly different shape to your shoes. So anyway, that's some exploring that you can do. So have a look to see what number your shoes are. Mine are 8, so I'm going to do 8 with 5 on that hand, and I'm going to bend down my chunky thumb and my baby small, and that gives me 8. Mine are 8. I have very big feet for a girl, but that's because I'm quite tall, and if I had teeny feet I'd fall over. But have a look, see what size your shoes are, and then have a look at the patterns on them and see what patterns you've got. Yeah? So anyway, I'll see you a bit later for Little Red Riding Hood and Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and we're also going to do some silly songs this week as well, so making up for last week. All right, see you later.